In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unframe elements in Figma, a quick and easy process that should take no more than 5 minutes to master. Whether you're tidying up your design or refining your layout, learning to unframe can be a handy skill in your Figma toolkit. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Figma account. Head over to the Figma website, which is a collaborative interface design tool. Simply open your preferred browser and type in figma.com. Once there, click on the login button to access your account. If you're joining in for the first time today, entering your credentials here will get you into the system and present you with your Figma home screen in no time. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the Figma homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all your recent projects and shared files. To proceed, look for the option labeled Design. This is where your projects live. Click on it and it will open up your design workspace. This workspace is where all the magic happens and where you can edit and refine your design projects. Now, within your workspace, you might have a selection of frames that hold different elements of your design. You'll need to select the specific frame you want to unframe. Look around your canvas, and once you spot the frame you'd like to alter, go ahead and click on it to select it. Frames in Figma function like containers holding different layers of design elements together, be it text, images, or other components. With your selected frame highlighted, direct your attention to the right-hand properties panel. Here you'll find a tool labeled Fill. Clicking on Fill will expand a menu showing the color or pattern currently applied to the background of your frame, potentially giving it a distinct style or color. The next step is what makes the magic happen. Click on Remove. This option will be present in the same properties panel where you found Fill. By clicking on Remove, you effectively instruct Figma to remove the fill from the selected frame. This unframes your elements, leaving everything intact but without the constraints or styling the original frame might have provided. And that's it, you've unframed your selected design element in Figma. This can be particularly useful when you want to reposition or redesign parts of your canvas without the influence of pre-existing frames. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to try this a few more times on different projects to become more comfortable with the process. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your design workflow. Keep designing and exploring with Figma.